Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix background data consumption in Windows 10, stop background data use, and save your internet data in Windows 10. The first step would be to do a right click on the start icon, and we are going to go to settings. From here, we click on privacy, and we have some options at the left, so we are going to look for background apps, scroll through it, and click on background apps. From here, we can choose which apps can run in the background, so we turn off the app that we don't use so it won't unnecessarily consume data while it's running in the background. So for example, if you can turn off any apps right here that you don't use anymore, for example, the Netflix app, if it is toggled on, you can click on the toggle button to turn it off so it won't consume unnecessary data while it's running in the background. The next step would be to search for Windows Update, and Windows Update settings should come up, so click on it. And from here, we are going to click on Advanced Options. And under the Update options, we have three options right here. Now make sure that they are all turned off. So if it is turned on like this, just click on the toggle button to turn all of these three options off, so it won't consume data as it will receive, download, and check updates in the background. So make sure to turn that off. The next step would be to do a right click on the start again, and we go back to settings. From here, we click on network and internet, and if you are using Wi-Fi, select that from the options right here. If you're using Ethernet, just select Ethernet, and once you have opened that, select the option that you are currently using, for example, this one for me, and you should have a section that says metered connection. So what we're going to do is to turn the metered connection on. So click on the toggle button to turn that on, and it will reduce data usage when you're connected to the network. So just turn the metered connection, and it will greatly help in reducing data consumption as you use the internet. And that is how you can basically fix background data consumption or stop the background data use. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.